Yeah, so I cracked my nail 2 times in the same nail. Not really sure how that happened, but this video is of me fixing the crack. So before I do anything, I push back my cuticle, and what I'm gonna do is use my e-file with the medium grit safety bit. First I want to see how deep the crack is, to kind of figure out if I could just patch it or what I need to do to fix it. I don't want to remove the nail, so I'm just gonna see if I could just fix it. So the crack actually goes all the way down to my natural nail. So I'm gonna remove all the dip powder and most of the polygel that I have on the nail as the base. And once it's removed, I'm just gonna go back in with my Yogi polygel in natural clear and build up the nail. So I use the polygel to build the structure and the strength of the nail. I don't use the dip powder for that. I know that there are some videos that you could watch that show how to do that, but I just mainly use the dip powder for color. Kind of like when you're using a colored acrylic, you still want to have the structure of the nail. So I think when it actually cracked, maybe I didn't build up the nail enough, or maybe I did and the nail just cracked. Stuff does happen. So anyways, I'm gonna show you me building up the nail, and I'm gonna add my dip powder back to the nail. What I'll do is link the video showing how I did the set that's on my nails now, and if you're interested in watching a detailed video of the dip powder with the gel base coat, you could watch that. But essentially the purpose of this video was just when you have a cracked nail, you kind of want to just see how deep it is. If it's all the way down to the natural nail, you have to take off most of the enhancements, polygel, dip powder, whatever you used, acrylic, and kind of start over. So that was just the purpose of the video. So like I said, I'll link the full video of showing how to do a dip nail set using the gel base coat below. Gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me build the nail back and add the dip powder. After I rebuilt the nail, I added the dip powder, then the clear dip powder to cap it in. Now I'm just adding the top coat. So it took me about 10 or 15 minutes to fix the nail, not too long. Probably would take me less time once I get a little bit more experience. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll answer them if I can. Thanks for watching again. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.